Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport in Mojave Clear Coat. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, Freedom Top 3-piece hardtop, black tubular side steps by MOPAR, tow package, reclining front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 19,000 miles on the odometer, audio jack input for mobile devices, SIRIUSXM radio, command track part-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P5670.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.